Hello, today we will guide you through how to add team members in Cloudflare. To begin, open Cloudflare and make sure you are signed into the correct account. This is important, especially if you manage more than one account or organization, because team access will be added at the account level you are currently viewing. Once you are on the Cloudflare dashboard, take a moment to confirm you are on the main home screen before moving forward. From there, look to the bottom left area of the screen and click on Manage Account. This section contains the broader account settings, including options for billing, security, and user access. If you are new to the Cloudflare interface, this is the area where you'll usually manage permissions for other people who need access to your account. After opening the account management area, click on Members. The Members page is where you can review who currently has access and manage invitations for new team members. This is useful if you want to keep access organized and make sure only the right people can enter the account. Next, click on Invite Members. This will open the invitation screen where you can begin adding the people you want to bring into your Cloudflare account. At this stage, Cloudflare is preparing to send access invitations, so make sure you are inviting the correct individuals. Now add the email addresses of the team members you want to invite. Be careful when entering each address, since the invitation will be sent exactly as typed. If needed, double-check for any spelling errors before continuing. This helps avoid delays or failed invitations. Once the email addresses have been entered, follow the on-screen procedure. Cloudflare may prompt you to choose roles, permissions, or other access settings depending on your account configuration. Read each option carefully so that every team member gets the level of access they actually need. In general, it's a good idea to assign only the permissions required for their role. When everything looks correct and you have completed the prompts on screen, click. Invite member to finish the process. Cloudflare will then send the invitation, and the new team member can accept it through their email. That's it. You've successfully started the process of adding team members in Cloudflare. If you need to invite more people, you can repeat the same process from the Members section at any time.